Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file that customers can download in Shopify. This is incredibly useful when you want to provide product manuals, sizing charts, or detailed specifications that shoppers can save and reference later. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify admin dashboard where you manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Content. This section is where Shopify stores all your media files, blog posts, and downloadable resources. Under the Content option, you'll see several choices, so go ahead and click on Files. This is your central hub for managing all uploaded documents and media that you want to make available on your store. Now, on the top right corner of the Files page, click Upload Files. A dialog box will appear allowing you to browse your computer, select the PDF file you want to upload, and confirm your choice. This step might take a moment depending on the file size, so just wait until the upload is completely done. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's finished, your file will appear in the list. Once the upload is complete, look to the right side of your newly uploaded file. You'll notice a small icon that looks like a chain link. This is the copy link icon. Click on it to copy the file's URL to your clipboard. This link is what you'll use to attach the PDF to your product, making it accessible to your customers. Next, head back to the left side menu and click on Products. This will show you all the items currently listed in your store. Click on the product where you want to add the downloadable PDF. This opens up the product editor where you can modify descriptions, images, and other details. In the description field, type a message that prompts customers to access the file. Something like "click here to view the product detail" works perfectly. Now, highlight the word here in your text. With the text selected, click the link icon in the toolbar. This usually looks like a chain or hyperlink symbol. A field labeled Link To will appear, and this is where you'll paste the PDF link you copied earlier. After pasting the link, you'll have a choice to open it in the same window or in a new window. Choosing New Window is often better as it keeps customers on your product page while viewing the file. Once you've made your selection, click Insert Link to finalize it. To preview how this looks on your live site, navigate to the left side menu and find Online Store. Next to it, you'll see an icon. Click that to open your storefront. Find the product you just edited and click on it. You'll see your description text with the clickable Here link. Click on Here and the PDF file will open, allowing customers to view and download it directly. And that's it, you've successfully added a downloadable PDF to your Shopify product, giving your customers easy access to important information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.